Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to report a quick in-depth review about this data analytic platform, which is two-sided. So to get started with the breakdown and the analysis about this platform. So to get started, two-sided is a data analytic platform built specifically for two-sided marketplaces and the platform, helping business unlock their key insight into customers and supplied behaviors. In 2025, it becomes a go-to tools for setup and growth stage platforms using service like Stream, Connect, or Strips. The platform automatically track a critical metric like customer rendition, chunks, churn behaviors, clear churns warning, and customers supply lifetime value. What sets two-sided apart is the ability to organize this data into clean, actionable dashboard without the need of for manual analytics or SQL. This makes it ideal for operators who want to understand their marketplace dynamics in real time and make decisions quickly based on actual user behavior. Two-sided offer a free plan for small platform under $1 with a pay tier starting at $49 per month plus $99 per monthly for pro users, unlocking features like advanced rendition report, early chunk signal, and API access. It's praised for being easy to integrate, highly focused, and specifically designed for platforms that manage both supply and demand side. However, it's mainly optimized for stream and share tribe users, so custom platform may need more technical setup. Some users may also need separate tools for deeper business intelligence or quantitative insight. Still, for two-sided marketplace look to scale and improve rendition. So two-sided is one of the most practical and insightful tools available in 2025. And that's it. So let me know in the comment section what you think about this data analytic platform. And if you find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.